Today we'll show you how to create account in platform X. Okay, don't forget like and subscribe and thank you for watching. First open your Google and go to x.com here, and now you have, if you can, like create an account or subscribe of a Google or sign up with Apple. Okay, what you want, okay? Or login if you have an account. Okay, you can do like this, and you can sign up with any mail you want, like Yahoo, Outlook, Hotmail, what you have. Okay, just now we'll go here to do this, not just subscribe, like sign up with Google. Just click and go. Click to your Gmail. Okay, guys, if you don't have Gmail, just go to create account and put your name and your mail and your birth date and continue, and finally it's ever. Okay, guys, just now just click to your Gmail and go to continue like this. Okay, now like this. Okay, just here now put your birth date like this and like this and like this. Okay, guys, just now go to register, and now will be do truth. You can put your name like Michael uh, truth, maybe 001 like this. Okay, maybe don't. Okay, it's what you have. Just now click to following like this and go, and allow notification or no, but I want to pass. Okay, if you can follow, this is a fashion session, kitchen, footballs, games, you can do what you have. Okay, so core news like celebrities, cinema, television, publicity like this, and you can Elon Musk, NASA, SpaceX, you can. Okay, now finally we have an account here in our account. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.